10 Tips Dating While Being a Single Mom with Kids. Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money and provide information to help single mothers be successful. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. Dating for two is difficult, dating in a crowd is downright complicated. The kids are engaged, at least on some level, even when you don't think they are. And everyone has strong emotions and opinions about who is involved and what the outcome might be. In other words, the whole family is dating. Here are 10 tips, dating while being a single mom with kids. 1. Recognize that you are building a family, not simply a friendship. When children come before dating, the couple's relationship is inevitably characterized by opposing attachments. When one of you chooses to be with your dating partner or children, the other is left waiting and wondering how your relationship with the other is influencing their relationship with you. Furthermore, children frequently experience insecurity as a result of their parents' relationship with another individual. Wise singles understand this crucial dynamic and don't think that entering a pair automatically entails starting a family. They pay close attention to both and spend time evaluating the potential step-family ties. 2. Avoid making a rushed decision. Parents who start dating right after the end of a relationship, whether by death or divorce, or who decide to marry right away after a brief dating time typically discover that their children are more resistant to the marriage. This jeopardizes a step-parent's and stepchild's ability to start a relationship on the proper foot and puts the family at risk. 3. Self-examination is the first step in a healthy dating relationship. Before dating, smart singles take a long hard look in the mirror. They consider their dating motivations, anxieties, such as their children's lack of a father, loneliness, and unresolved hurt, for example, after divorce. When do you know you're ready to start dating? You don't have to when you don't have to. 4. Have what-if talks with others. Single parents begin a series of conversations with their children even before they start dating, asking, "What if I started dating? What would your reaction be?" They bring up the subject again and again. What if Sarah and I started dating on a regular basis? How about if John's kids came over every Friday this summer? What if she and I got engaged? Each conversation is both an assessment, how do my kids feel about these possibilities and realities? And a discussion, as well as intervention, as it prepares them for what may occur. Smart single parents don't let their children's emotions influence their dating decisions, but they do listen and take their children's feelings into account. Becoming a couple is up to you, whether you become a family is up to them. Participate in these discussions throughout your dating experience, particularly as you approach each stage of a developing relationship. 5. Make invites to older children in a gentle manner. Teenagers and adults should approach your dating partner at their own pace. You may be shooting yourself in the foot if you make it your goal to get them to accept your partner and relationship. Instead, provide opportunities for them to get to know one another without pressuring them. Roger will be eating supper with me on Saturday, for example, are soft invitations. If you'd want to join us, feel free. Allow relationships to evolve at their own speed by treating them with respect. 6. Recognize and label your child's worries. When a parent admits, "I can understand that the notion of my dating worries you," children of all ages benefit. You probably don't want any further changes to our family because you miss mom, our family, etc. I understand. I appreciate you telling it as it is. Use language like "this makes you nervous," "you're scared our family will change," or "you don't want to have to change schools or leave your friends." This kind of reaction confirms the child's anxieties. It also teaches kids that their feelings matter to you, keeps the lines of communication open, and aids youngsters with labeling their own emotions, which is especially crucial for young children. 7. Maintain a steady pace and balance in your dating life. If you fall in love, don't neglect your children by devoting all of your free time to your new partner. It's enticing, but it plays on your child's anxieties of losing you and gives your dating partner the full sense that you're completely available to them. Don't lose your footing. 8. Carefully plan the time for meeting the kids. Your children may meet your date early on, but the first few dates should be focused on the two of you. At first, refer to your date as a friend or, if your children are ready, refer to them as your date. When you first start dating someone, it's fine to make casual introductions, but don't put your kids and the person together until you're confident the relationship has real potential. This is especially true for youngsters under the age of 5, who can bond with a date more faster than adults. As your interest in the person deepens, make it a point to schedule time for your significant other and children to spend together. Start slowly and carefully, monitoring and processing everyone's anxieties and concerns. If the other person has children, it could be a good idea to plan early get-togethers with just one pair of kids. 9. Anticipate hot and cold reactions. Kids who like their parents' dating partners can have a loyalty problem because they don't know how to welcome everyone without hurting feelings, especially the other biological parent. Children can warm up to the person you're seeing and then turn chilly because they're trapped in a loyalty struggle. They swing back and forth at times. Don't be alarmed or harsh with the kids. Confusion is an unavoidable part of life. Relax and work with what you've been given. 10. Make your figure flow. You need an objective measure of the traits, attributes, and character of the person you're seeking for, because you can't gauge lasting love by bodily adornments or first biochemical attractions. But you also need a silhouette of the type of family you want to start, and here is where single parents fall short. You should move on if the person you're seeing isn't good parent material, with your kids or theirs. Yes, even if you adore him or her as a mate, not liking the fit between the person you're dating and your children is a deal breaker. Learn all you can about step-family living. Getting smarter means learning all you can about how step-families function, operate best, and why they have the unique complexities that they do. You may know how to drive a car, but driving in snow and icy conditions requires a different knowledge and skill set. Nearly all blended families have inclement weather to manage as they drive, especially in the first few years, so adopt the attitude of a learner. Again, ladies, thank you for watching, and we here at Single Moms Make Money hope this video brings value to you. Please, ladies, for regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos.